Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable organization by thread and what it does in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So the organization by thread means if you are going to get, for example, this email, and then I'm going to reply to it, and the Yahoo is going to reply to me also to that email, to the reply that I sent to them, and they are going to reply to that email. It means that this is all going to be in this conversation. So in many cases, in the most I think so, that you would like to have it. But if you don't want to, you want to have every email, by itself in the inbox, what you want to do is to go to the settings, swipe down, tap on the mail information, mail. Then you want to swipe down again, and here you are going to get something, a section called threading. So you can turn off the organize by thread, and what it does, that every email is going to be a separate email in your inbox. So for example, if you're going to reply and then someone is going to reply, you are going to get two emails separately and not in one conversation. So keep that in mind. Maybe you want to do this. I don't want to, so I do want to keep it on. So when it's on, it's when it's green, it's on, sorry. But maybe you don't want to, so make sure this one is turned off. So you're going to get all emails separately. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.